How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, quick update video, quick ramble. As you can see here, right here, we have the College Made Easy logo. That's what's going to be the main purpose of this video, guys. So we just did a complete overhaul of my podcast. It was called the Life Made Easy podcast. And now we're rebranding the whole thing, student-oriented now, helping students grow and develop as college students. Hoping to help as many people out as possible. So we're rebranding the whole podcast now. This is the new logo. Changing it from Life Made Easy Podcast to College Made Easy Podcast. Only one word change, but it changes the entire subject matter that we're going to be talking about. We're going to try to help students succeed to the best of our ability. We're going to add interviews from college professors, interviews from other college students, even we're going to try to get admissions people. So you guys know the best tips and tricks for how to succeed in college. Now, this isn't just like an academic podcast sort of thing. I think that's too boring. I mean, obviously that plays a big role in, college, but we're also going to be focusing on the social life, extracurricular activities, mental health, physical health. All that stuff goes together to create a successful college student. So we're going to be doing real world experience from myself, Tim, Emily, and Ben. All that good stuff. Share all our experiences we've had. Hopefully get you guys some good knowledge and hopefully take our experiences and make that into a good experience for yourself. So I'm going to be leaving it. Also, my dog is over here right now looking out the window. So I'm going to be leaving the card to this in the top right, I think, over here. And I'm also going to be putting the link to the podcast in the description. First link down below. Oh, there he goes. So you guys can go head over there and subscribe. I'd highly recommend the podcast, guys. It takes a lot of effort for me to produce and all that stuff. And I think if you're a student, it's going to be very beneficial for you to listen to it. Even if you're a high school student and you're going to college, it's going to be very beneficial for you to watch it. So without further ado, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and go subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast link below. We have brand new merchandise over there. So if you guys want to get your hands on some new College Made Easy merchandise, you can do so now and use your Amazon affiliate links, all that good stuff. And yeah, it's going to be a blast. I will see you guys there on the College Made Easy podcast.